Hi, it's Andrew Palmer from Bertha AI and somebody'shero.co.uk. We run a web agency and Bertha AI is one of our Chrome extensions. It's also a WordPress plugin, but today I'm going to teach you how to use Bertha AI Chrome extension to help you write anything, anywhere. Once you've installed the extension, she appears right there on your bottom right-hand corner, and you've got access to chat, ask me anything, some templates which will help you write unique value propositions, content rephrases, etc. And there's a very light image generator as well. And if you're a podcaster, you can actually convert your audio up to 25 megabytes at a time to text, and that's about it. So you can use the chat module. Let's ask Bertha to write a Facebook post about Bertha AI. So I've asked, write a Facebook post about Bertha AI, a Chrome extension that utilizes the power of OpenAI. So we can do that, but I want to add hashtags to that. So all I do is ask the chat to add hashtags. So there we are. We can now copy that, pop that into our Facebook post. Let's use a blog post for the benefit of anything, me mainly. And I can add those hashtags as well. And there we are, those hashtags that go along with my Facebook post. You can do exactly the same for Twitter as well. Now let's write a long form post about a local plumber. For instance, this could be an electrician, a yoga place, any small business that you're trying to write about, literally any small business. So write a blog post about the benefits of using a local plumber and make it about 1,000 words. So that's a nice long blog post that we've just written there. We can copy that and pop that into the block. And we don't format this in chat for you because we want you to edit it, because you should always use your own editing capabilities. And you can go through there and change municipality to whatever your local place will be able to call it, etc. But just edit it yourself. It's very easy just to go through the blog post and make sure that everything is edited as you want to have it sorted out, especially when you're using WordPress. Much easier to edit. Now I've still got that blog post in Bertha, and what I want to do is I want to please summarize the text above. Press return, and Bertha will look through that text and summarize it. And there we are. We've got a summary, and you can put the summary at the top. So basically, go there and paste in your summary. So there you are. That's how you write a long blog post about plumbers. Now, lots of questions we get is, how can I ask Bertha to write about or design a website for me? Now, Bertha currently doesn't design websites, and there's no intention for us to go down that route because there's other tools that can help you do that, specifically your imagination. But basically, what I want to do is I want to ask Bertha to write me an introduction to a homepage for, let's say, a plumber. Then I want a services page. Then I want an About Us page. And then I want a contact page. So and there we are. So here's our homepage content coming up. Here's our services page. Here's the deal page. Here's the contact page. And what I can also do is ask Bertha to expand upon the services page. Hit generate. As you can see, using AI to help you create content will speed up your content creation. If you're a web developer, it will allow you to offer content creation services to your customers, with obviously the caveat that they want to amend it or edit it once you've done. It gets rid of the fact that clients have difficulty coming up with content. But as you can see, very quickly, we can build a plumber's website, a yoga website, any kind of website that you like, and fill it with content. So let's just copy all that data so that we've got it. Now it would ask me anything. It respects the paragraphs. So there you go. Very, very easy. Let's get creating content with Bertha AI. Go to Bertha.AI and see that it's only $20 a month for 1 million words a month. Crazy, right? Good luck.